Hey yo! What's going on, guys? Today. Oh shit! Can't put it out, can't put it out. Oh shit! Can you feel your legs? I heard you. Alright, wait, bruv. This guy just took my phone. He just took my phone, bruv. What are we, what? Bruv, he gave me some fucking Middle Eastern number, bruv.
Buzz! We missed the truck! We're not aiming for the truck!
Oh, shit. You think you're funny, man? Here's blue red light. Idiot! Go! Oh shit! Oh. Oh shit! You good? Can you feel your legs?
Your parking coming up.
Does anything feel broken?
His hand, his elbow. What, do you want me to loosen it up?
Or try and stop moving, yeah?
Lay down, lay down.
I need to check if my legs are broken. What happened?
You locked your wheel and you skid out.
Whole thing spin down.
Yeah, but why? How?
I don't know, you locked up your rear, I think.
Who pulled out?
You were stopped in the middle of the road and then Shaq stopped and then
Are you in pain, bro?
kind of locked up.
Bad.
Anything, does your legs feel fine?
Yeah.
You sure? Do you need an ambulance, bro?
No.
You sure? We don't need an ambulance, bro. Yeah, it's just the shift lever. It's just the brake lever that's bent. But this took everything.
No, it's okay.
And like this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
No, nothing wrong with the bike. Look.
Everything's it's all good. Just cosmetic.
If he didn't have his shoes on, he would have been fucked. Look, have you seen his shoes?
Yeah,
Look
no.
here. Bro, it's fine. Fuck all of that, bro. Leave the bike.
The bike is good.
If he wasn't wearing those trousers, he would have been fucked, bro.
turn in circle. Speed camera, car pull it out! Car pull it out! Car pull it out! I'm looking at her while fucking my bike. Car pull it out, car pull it out. Car pull it out, car pull it out, emergency brake. Sorry. Right, that guy was smiling, bruv. He was smiling. I don't want to go past this. I shocked, there's a speed camera, there's a speed camera, there's a speed camera. Watch out, watch out, car pull it out, car pull it out, car pull it out. Let me pull on someone's drive. Come on! Where's this guy going? Where the fuck are you going, man? She got scared. You see that? It's gonna flag I have no insurance, bruv. I don't want to get pulled. I can't lie. It's gonna flag I got no insurance.
I don't think I do either. 1
All good, bro.
space?
Hmm?
You want space?
No, 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 you're fine. You're fine. So?